When you were building out your system, what tools did you use to create that?
Well, so my system has evolved over time, and it certainly has evolved a whole lot in the last 2 years with AI. And so when you ask what did I use, I've kind of used just about everything in the world to build out my systems. I originally started out just recording content constantly and reducing that to transcripts, and then using that as sort of like the backbone of our trainings and things. And then when AI when Chat GPT came out a few years ago, I started feeding all of those transcripts. And I'm talking in the beginning of Chat GPT, where we were all still just like prompting, like, what do I do with this right now, right? I started feeding all of my training transcripts into it way back then to take the transcript where I was teaching my paralegal or my, just going through something with a partner, and kind of reducing it. And then as our AI systems evolved and vibe coding came about, then that changed the game. Like, I was able to accomplish a lot more than I could before with the concept of vibe coding. But I will add that I am a little bit lucky. I'm very technologically inclined to begin with. Like, I get technology easy. I love technology. I like trying new systems. I've tried every case management platform that you could imagine for myself just to demo it. And I'm also married to an engineer who's a computer engineer.
Huh.
So
Well, that's not fair. That's
that
not
makes
fair.
life a little bit easier. And he actually, originally, when I launched Legal Authority Lab, he was just kind of in the background. But as I started really really doing the work and seeing what these firms that have hired us, what they want from us, some of what they want from us is above my pay grade, but it's not above his pay grade. And so I actually have pulled him in, and he is now one of the partners in Legal Authority Lab, because there are certain builds that are just, they're outside. I can offer the practical side of it, right? The user inside. Like, I have the ability to say, hey, that's not going to work well because of this, that, or the other, or these are the things we need to consider. But there are certain things that are definitely above my technical pay grade, and that gets pushed on to Henry.